Hello, Bright Minds. Welcome back to BrightMind CBSE Class, where learning becomes easy, smart, and fun. I hope you are doing great and ready for the another exciting lesson.
The previous lesson, we learned how to add mixed numbers. Today, we were going to learn how to subtracting mixed fractions using a super easy tricks by the end of this video. You will be able to solve mixed numbers subtraction in just a few simple steps. So let's begin for subtraction. Remember the 3S rules. S1, separate the whole numbers and fractions. S2, check same denominator. S3, subtract the whole number and fractions. If the fractions on top is smaller, then borrow 1 from the whole number. So let's take the example.
3 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So here first we need to check or make the denominator same. Okay, so here we checking denominator are the same. So first just the separate the whole number and fraction. So I have to write this one again. 3 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So I will separate the whole number here 3. Now I am writing 4 minus 7 minus 3 by 7. It's equal to 4 minus 3. It will come 1 minus 7. It means 3 1 by 7. Okay, let's take one more example. 8 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. So it could be, here we can check denominator are the same. So we just write the fraction 8 whole number. We can write like this also. 5 minus 2, it will come 3 by 9. Now here we could reduce the 3 by 9. So both number are divisible by the 3. So we can reduce this number 3 by 9. So it will come 1 by 3, right? 3 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so we can write 8 1 by 3. Okay, let's take one more example. 7 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Now here we will minus, so it will become a 7 3 minus 1, denominator are same, equal to, it will become a 2 by 8. Here we could also reduce the 2 by 8. Okay, 2 by 8 is divisible by the 2, so it will come 7 by 1 by 4. So here I will take 6 4 by 9 minus 8 by 9. In this sum there is a difference. What is the difference? If we subtract 4 by 9 minus 8 by 9, that's going to be, it will give the negative number. So what we will do here? We will do something different here. Okay, so here we follow the borrowing method. I will show you how to do it. We can write also 6 plus 4 9 minus 8 by 9. Let's begin the expanding the mixed number. We will break down this 6 number into smaller parts, into smaller number. It means 5 plus 1. So it could be, we can replace this one by 9 by 9. I will show you how. Plus 1 plus 4 9 minus 8 by 9. We can write, we could replace this one by 5 plus 9 by 9 plus 4 by 9 minus 8 by 9. Okay, so it will become a, I will write here 5 plus 13 minus 8. Now denominator are the same, so it's become a 5 plus 13 minus 8, it's 5 by 9. So we can write here like this, 5 by 5 9. Okay, so here this is the answer. Let's take one more example. So 7 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 equal to 7 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Now here also let's break the 7 into the smaller numbers. In this case it will become a 6. It will become 6 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So equal to, here we replace this one number by 4 because denominator are here same. Okay, so we just replace the number. Now let's we do 6 plus 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Okay, so it will come 6 plus 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Now we can also write like this, 6 plus 5 minus 3, 2 by 4. Okay, and here we can reduce 2 by 4, it will become a 6 1 by 2. So here is the answer. So that's all for the today's lesson. Hope you understood. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, small steps every day lead to big success tomorrow. See you in the next video. Happy learning. Thank you.